At Ford, we value our relationship. Your loyalty means you found something you value and trust. We're proud of that, and it got us thinking. How can we make our relationship even stronger, serve you in new ways, and offer value every day, not just when it's time for your next Ford? Introducing FordPass Rewards, a whole new way for us to express our gratitude to you, our customer. It works with the FordPass app. Just download it, accept the terms and conditions, and you're ready to start earning rewards. Once you've purchased or leased your new Ford, make sure you earn welcome reward points by activating your FordPass Connect modem. Redeem points for discounts on future vehicle service or accessories, or save your points and redeem toward the purchase or lease of your next new vehicle. After you leave the dealership, you can earn points by participating in activities on the app. And when you return, you can earn more for service, parts, and accessory purchases at your dealership. You could also have the opportunity to receive valuable member-exclusive offers for service and your next new Ford, sent right to your app. FordPass Rewards benefits will continue growing, so make sure you check back frequently for new enhancements. We hope FordPass Rewards will bring you around more often so we can get to know you and serve you better. Download the FordPass app from your App Store or Google Play and start earning points today.